This is what my future husband has to look forward to. Oh my god. I have something fun. I just woke up, my energy is low. And I also just popped 2 pimples, so that's how it's going so far. I am on my period per usual. I feel like I'm on my period every time I film a video, but that's why I'm breaking out. I'm saying that because a lot of you guys wanted my skincare routine, and I'm just letting you know this isn't the right time to be filming this, but what better time than now? I got a little something in the mail from Duvolle. So this comes with a facial exfoliation brush, a large body cleansing brush, a facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. This is what it looks like. Let me open this. Just got batteries for it. This plus down, this up, this plus down. Ah. This is what we're going to be using today, which is the cleansing brush. I'm so sorry if I'm like flatlining. I never talk to people when I'm doing my skincare routine, so bear with me. I changed it up a little bit. I really thought I had my shit together, but apparently St. Ives is stupid. But I do still use the Neutrogena Deep Clean Cream Cleanser. I'm gonna wet my face, and then do I have to wet the brush? I'm gonna wet the brush. I don't know. Okay. Me reading directions just to clean my face, like, it's probably not that hard. Don't use on broken skin. Okay. Whoa. Interesting. You know what? I like this. You know what I like about it? Is that it gets in the crevices. I feel like this is a whole different level compared to like doing it with my hands. Because you know when you're doing it with your hands, you're just kind of rubbing over the skin. I feel like this is going into my skin. And that's the tea. If you want, I have a coupon code for you. I have never had a code that has given me 70% off. You're basically getting the product for free, so. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you to buy it, but my face is actually really soft, not even gonna lie. But after I cleanse my face, I actually go in with the ordinary niacinamide, and I just use some droplets and I rub it into my face lightly because you don't want to sag on the skin, right? Also, nose update. Tip is still feels frozen. She's doing good. She's being cute. And then I recently just got this caffeine solution for the under eye bags. I've heard that there's better ones than this, but like it's $5 and I might as well stay on brand. And then I just go like this. I'm not really sure how this one works yet, but it makes me feel better. I'm sorry if it's always loud when I'm in this bathroom. There be airplanes flying over me, bitch. I live in Florida and it's fucking sunny as shit all the time. So I got the SPF 30 with antioxidants from The Ordinary too. And yeah, that's pretty much what I do every day for my morning skin time routine. I'm gonna eat and then I'll see you when I do my makeup and I'll have more energy. Probably. Guys, I'm literally the worst bitch. I filmed that intro weeks ago, but since that video, I got a new haircut. She's cute. She's different. I got some bangs. I'm gonna show you my everyday makeup. Basically, my makeup whenever I get ready because I don't have everyday makeup. This is my everyday makeup. I actually filmed this when I filmed the first half of the video, but TikTok be showing me new things, so I don't want to upload my makeup video if it's not what I'm currently doing. So this is what I'm currently doing. This is, I think, what I'm gonna stick with. I don't know. As of right now, the first thing I do is my eyebrows. I just take one of these pencils from Revlon. This one is in soft black. You know what is the same from the first half of this video? My fucking acne. Like, what is good? I cut off the end of my eyebrow, which is so annoying because it grows back every 5 seconds, but it's the best thing I've ever done. I feel like it just gives me that Botox without having Botox. Like, if a bitch wanted to try me, she could easily be like, and wipe up my eyebrow, but she would never. I'm going to take a flat brush like this. This is from Morphe. This is the M224. And then just the Maybelline Fit Me in the lightest shade, which is Ivory. And voila. I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take any brown shade, any bronzer shade. I don't switch it up. I stick to what I know. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. And what I do is I take that shade and I kind of go up here just to also give that lifting eye effect. It's gonna look a little crazy at first, but don't we all? Now for the main event, my signature wing. I feel like people have caught on that you will never ever catch me without my wing eyeliner. I don't know what it is, I just need it. I want to look like don't speak to me unless spoken to, you know? R45 brush, dip into a black eyeshadow. I like my wings super long and thick, just like everything else in my life.
You nasty.
Then from there, I take that and I go to the middle of my eye. I'm super careless when it comes to my makeup and everything else, but it shouldn't be that serious. And I feel like when I try hard, it comes out worse. So I stand by Maybelline Super Stay. I think it's honestly fucking lit. I don't know why people pay $50 for a foundation. I don't know. Blend that shit. If I'm breaking out, I'll just take the foundation again and kind of just dot over. Fake it till you make it. And then I take that concealer again and put it under my eye. Oh my god, whenever I do makeup, my nose like automatically is running. Why did that happen? Next we go in with the Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. I get it in Fair. I like to bake underneath my cheek and take the excess and just dab it onto my chin. I used to bake under my eyes, but honestly, not really about it anymore. Put some on my forehead. Back with the black eyeshadow and do my final touch. So this is pretty much how I used to do my eyes, like just the wing and everything. But then I did the inner corner flick and my life has been changed since. I feel like it just adds a little more spice, and why not just make myself look meaner? Back in with that pencil and I basically just make a little triangle. They're not perfect sometimes, but who is besides me? I don't ever wear falsies unless I'm at a shoot or something and I get my makeup done and they put lashes on me. I just don't like the way it feels. I don't like the way it looks. I'm just not that bitch. Okay, now bronzer. I use the Maybelline Fit Me in shade Coconut, and I just take a flat angle brush like this and I go above my cheekbone. That's the tea. And then I blend my bronzer into that eyeshadow. And for my forehead, I really focus on the temples. I don't know, I feel like it shrinks it down. Now I'm just gonna do my bottom lashes since my top lashes are dry. I'm gonna show you this trick that I learned on TikTok for contouring your nose. I literally posted about it the other day and I was like, oh, I just learned this new trick on TikTok. And people were like, okay, but where's the video? But where's the video? I'ma show you, bitch. I dip into a darker eyeshadow color because I feel like eyeshadow sticks more than bronzer. So what you would do is you make a triangle from your nostril up to the tip, but you don't connect it in the middle. And then you're gonna go down the bridges of your nose. My friend was on FaceTime with me when I was showing her this trick and she's like, bitch, you got a nose job. Why the fuck are you doing this? Because I want it to be smaller. You make a line before the tip of your nose. I don't know how to explain it. People would make the line up here, but you want to make it before, like here. Does that make sense? And then I just bake the sides of my nose. And then I go back in with that concealer brush. This is where the illusion happens. Now you go up and then you go in that little section. Now I'm gonna take the Kylie Virginity blush on the apples of my cheeks. It just makes everything fall into place. This side just looks so much better than this side. Put it on my forehead, a little bit on my chin. This is the Sugar palette. I'm gonna go in with Butterscotch. This is dumb. And then I always take the blush brush again, blend it out, because she'd be looking crazy. I'm gonna take this little brush from Morphe again. It's the M149. Go where I highlighted. I'm gonna wipe this big off. Then I'm just gonna take a black eyeliner and just go in the waterline. We love a black hole moment. I love this lip liner. It's from LA Girl. It's called Keep It Spicy. I also need to get my lips done again soon. I feel like they're deflating and I'm just not having that. But I just start at the Cupid's bow. I will never not overline. It's like, okay, yeah, I got lip filler, but now I'm gonna just draw that line over the lip filler, you know? It's like more of a guide. Out of all my makeup products, this is definitely what runs out the most and what I'm constantly buying because you always gotta retouch, you always gotta add more. It low-key looks cute without any lip. But I take the Kylie Commando. This is from her nude collection. Ooh, now she's feeling cute. Look at that nose contour. Like she just looks lifted. But what I also do to not make it look so white on the sides, I just take like a little bronzer and I'll put it in the crevices. I think that's it. This is my first time seeing my new hair with makeup too, so it's like a reveal. So that is the, wait, I can't even, I look good, bitch. Wow. Hope I answered your questions of how I do my makeup or taught you something or blah, blah, blah. Learned anything from this video. I'll see you later. Okay, I'm done being a bad bitch for the day. It's time to get ugly. I used the micellar water. In one of my last videos, I did not know how to say that, so elevating. Now that I have the first layer off, I'm gonna put my hair back and actually wash my face. I'm just gonna go on with, you see my stomach? Now that my face is clean, I'm noticing that I have a huge pimple right here and it's ready to pop. Do I do it? I'm gonna do it. I did it. I'm gonna take the Ordinary toner and I honestly love this shit. Feel like it takes off the excess like dirtiness. You can see what I just popped. Oops, oopsie. And then I'm gonna go back in with the caffeine solution and put that under my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Lotion. I pat my shit in. I don't know why, but I feel like I heard something about it. It's like, come on, collagen, get it together. This is Mederma. It really helps with dark spots. It's meant to be for stretch marks, but this is the tea. Now I'm gonna take the Clean and Clear Spot Treatment. I'm allergic to benzoyl peroxide, so I can only use salicylic acid, which is kind of whack because benzoyl is the one that like really fucks shit up. So I just put this wherever I feel a pimple or wherever I see a pimple. I'm just like, please go away. And then if I have like a pimple that I just popped, like right now, I'll put on Neosporin over it because then it'd be turned into a scab. You know the deal. But these don't look like it needs it yet, so we're done. That is the end of the video. If you made it this far, you a real one. I never know how to end these. I'll see you in my next video. That was weird. Oh my god. I also think it's so funny how, I don't know if that's gonna make me sound like a hoe or not. And then I like wonder why I'm single. I look awful. Makeup is literally sick. We're just catfishing everybody, you know? I don't know how batteries. What are they, like porn star kind of? Time to de-catfish.